Hi and welcome to txtNationTV. It is CES 2013 and we are still covering the CES show floor. I think we're in the South Hall now and all this noise is going on in the background, but we're going to try to get everything taken care of. As you can hear behind me, we've actually got the Harman system that started back in August of 2010. They're actually starting to put it into their 2013 vehicles like the Ram truck, and we're here to demo the uConnect system by Harman. Pronouncing this correct?
Harman.
Okay, and we're here with Mike, and he's going to kind of demo us. So, Mike, can you kind of show us what we've got going on here?
Yep, absolutely. So this is the Chrysler uConnect system. The Chrysler uConnect system is a unique design where the HMI experience is been made for the general person to be able to come in and get the experience without a lot of overcomplication. Right? As you can see, there's simple buttons down at the bottom that lead you through the functionality, whether it's radio, media, climate control, navigation, which you can see actually supplies a 3D city model and giving some more detail to help provide a better navigation experience. The big thing that the Chrysler uConnect system does is it provides connectivity. And a connectivity, basically what it actually has is an embedded 3G modem inside the head unit itself. This embedded modem allows you to do a couple different things. One of the things that was actually taken advantage of early up front was a Bing application that allows to do a local search. This is actually something that's voice command activated, as you can see, though this environment that we're in doesn't really allow for that, so it's going to take a few seconds. Typically, it would have been waiting for that. But what it does do is then provides you a whole series of location-based services, just like anything else that Bing supplies, right? Local restaurants, things along those lines. So that was one of the big things that came on with the embedded modem, that's actually, the application resides on an off-board server.
Nice.
The interface is here in providing the information and moving forward. So the other things that it actually allows for are some things along these lines for enthusiasts like the Vipers, right? They always want to see things about how their vehicle's performing. They want to take things out to test tracks, things along those lines. So this particular app, when it initializes here in a couple seconds, will actually show us, and it stores vehicle information. As you can see, it comes up with a very nice picture of the Viper, and then it actually comes up and allows for people to track information of how they can do 0 to 60, what they do in 1/8 of a mile, 1/4 of a mile. As you can see, it'll actually save them. It'll save the last, it'll save the best. These people then can use this app, right, to track their vehicle and their performance on a track. It also gives very simple things along gauges, things along those lines, all information mining from the vehicle network bus to the applications themselves. So the second form of connectivity is something that is bringing in your phone itself, in this case an iPhone, right? And you actually load the uConnect app. The uConnect app will allow you to connect to the uConnect store, right, where there's applications. This particular example is an app that allows you to do some of the conveniences of door unlock, remote start, and things along those lines, right? So what this will actually do is then connect through the server back into the head unit to enable all these services. And Chrysler is continuing to populate the uConnect store with more and more of these type of applications. In fact, there'll be several press releases coming from Chrysler this week as they are continuing to roll things out that we could show you maybe some more in the future. The third phase of the connectivity is actually from Cirrus XM and the Travel Link module. These are all also location-based services allowing for fuel prices, movie listings, weather, and things along those lines. So these are the connectivity features that are kind of being brought in, and then they're going to be enabled to be updated. As the years go on and the feature nails, more features are available, more functions, they'll be updated over the air and continue to allow your platform to grow.
That is awesome. And as you can see here at 2013 CES, Harman is blowing our minds. They're bringing the head unit, and it's just basically becoming the next tablet, the next computer, all in your head unit and making it so much more convenient to drive. Being able to see your navigation, everything all in one head unit, that is amazing, and we greatly appreciate your time, and thank you for showing it to us, Mike. Thanks. Continuing our coverage here at 2013 CES, that's right, we are here still on the showroom floor, and I had to do this only because I have been a fan of this car since I was like 7 years old. It's no longer Dodge anymore. It's strictly just the SRT Viper. It's a beautiful car. I mean, look at this blue, racing stripes and everything. If I could drive away right now with this car, I don't think they'd let me, but I'd try really hard. I'm sure someone would stop me along the way. But we've got the 2013 SRT Viper GTS here in front of us. And I'm sure this thing's got plenty of horsepower to cover for any sort of speed that you want. You saw the sound system that's in it. It's absolutely crazy. You can get the app on your phone and you can actually, you know, take a look at some of the stuff that's going on in your car. And as you guys saw, I mean, not only the sound system, but you can also track your mileage and all sorts of just crazy things for you car techs out there that just love this thing. And to me, I just don't know what to say. They have made this car beautiful. I want to take it home, and they won't let me. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, we're going to go on. We've got more showroom floor to show off, so we're going to continue on here for CES 2013, and we'll go from here.